So guys, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. So first and first, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on the updates. So let's start with our trend on gold. As we said, last week we did the analysis for the week on our gold, and I told you guys clearly that gold will be giving us a bullish move that we push up to take out this high, right? And this is what market did for us on Monday. Market gave us a bullish move. Now for Tuesday, our prediction is same movement in bullish move. So we will be expecting market to also give us a bullish move. Why? It is very simple. Our trend on gold is an uptrend move. We are still very much trending to the upside. Gold is bullish. But there was a time that gold literally dropped, right? And guess what market did? Market gave us a reversal pattern, which is a double bottom, right? Which eventually pushed up to break our neckline. Now market now give us a pullback. Market then push up one more time to form a new high, and this is a pullback, right? Now market is now pushing up and we'll be expecting to form a new high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we will be expecting on our gold. Now let's see what's right here. We can see it on our 4-hour time frame. We will still be expecting that push up. The market is going to clear this high completely. So let's target this level for the day. A level of let's target a level of 4,820. So this should be our target for the day on gold, 4,820. That should be giving us, if I'm not wrong, more than 100 pips. So this will be giving us about 800 pips by the way. So we'll be expecting about 800 pips for this movement on our gold. So this is a potential 800 pips to grab on gold. So what you should be doing right now is to go for the buy, hold your buy position. See, market is able to tap a level of 4,820. Once it taps a level of 4,820, then I'm going to do an update and let you guys know what we'll be expecting. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share also.